Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your broken headphone. Of course, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to fix the earphones that have this kind of jack, 3.5 millimeter jack. So let's begin. First, actually I fixed this headphone, but it has been broken. I don't know. Actually, I know the reason. Because I wasn't so. I didn't put so much effort on this, but now, as I'm showing you how to do this, I will put more effort than I did before. So, here is the weak part of the headphone. Actually, normally you can buy a 3.5 millimeter jack from electronic shops, but I used this kind of spare. I I removed this cable with jack from another headphone which was also broken, and my headphone earplugs was working, and I combined these into one cable. I will cut this from the weak points. Cutting these. I will strip the wires. This will take a little bit. Wait a second, please. Yeah. This will take a little bit more power, force. Yes. I stripped the wires. As you can see, there are 4 wires. Normally, in the earplug, in the headphones that has no microphone, there are only 3 wires. But since this is a headphone with a microphone, it also has this thick wire that conducts ground and microphone. I guess that conducts the current for microphone and ground. But if the headphone doesn't have microphone, only 3 cables exist. So first of all, in order to work clean, I will burn the white stuff because that will interfere with my job. By the way, I'm gonna put the ingredients to this tutorial, to the beginning of this tutorial. Okay, I'm burning these. We need to blow to avoid accidents. Okay. First of all, I have to explain something. These cables have insulators. This is like, maybe you can see the green wire. Maybe the color is not so good. This is green, blue, and copper color. The other one is also copper. the green and blue wires carries the green and blue wires carry the positive signal from the phone or audio source to the headphones, and these copper ones are conducting ground signal. First, we will burn a little part of this string, this wire, but not all of them, all of these, because if you burn all of it, it will go up to here, and if you also burn the other one's insulation to end of it, they will touch each other and signal will be mixed. So we don't want to do we don't want this. Yes, good. Okay, we have the insulation stripped, removed, and the other insulation. I will pass these sections fast. Yeah. I'm also burning the grounds. Good. The other ground. I burned this also. Okay. The first part of our wires are removed off the insulators. So the jacks wires need to be removed also. I will strip the wires first. I will strip the insulators, the outer insulator. Yeah, good. And the other one. Yeah, this has also got the white stuff, as you see. I will burn this as well. But some of the, like you see, some of the wires in jack cables are a little bit sensitive, so try not to damage the wires because it's so thin. We don't want to damage these. Okay, I'm also burning the other ones, white stuff. I don't know what it is in English, but okay. Okay, we're all set. And I also wanna state that there is something called plastic heat shrink tube. This is that plastic heat shrink tube. I was gonna use this to fix the headphones, but I don't have the thick ones of these. I just have thin one of this stuff, so I can not use it as I want. But it's okay. I will use electric tape in this video. But if you have from this plastic heat shrink tube, I recommend using it. Okay, and we also should burn these thin wires. I'm also burning these. I burned this also. Okay, this one. Okay, and also this one. Okay, we're all set. First of all, we will bend the ground wires because they're in majority. We are just bending these wires into one, and the other jacks, the other cables, ground wires, copper wires together. We are also bending these. I'm bending these carefully. You gotta be careful during this process while doing this, because the cable is so sensitive. Okay, I will make the thin cables wires around the thick cable from the root of it, as you see, because if you don't wanna have any naked cable, open cable, yes. And after then we will apply some soldering iron, solder. Yes, now it's time to solder. What's happening? It's a little bit difficult to solder this because it doesn't hold solder, but it's not impossible. Yes, exactly. If you have soldering past, it's gonna be perfect. But even if you don't have, it's okay. Now, I will apply electric tape to the one that I soldered, but less than this is enough. Yes, that's perfect. We also wanna bend the other ones. This is blue, yes. We repeat the same process for the positive signals. We are bending the cables around each other. Yeah. I will solder this also. It will be a little bit more difficult than the ground wires. But still, it's not impossible. Yeah, perfect. Let's experiment. Let's make an experiment for the I made the experiment. It is working. The one of the earphones is working. Huh. I also will apply electric tape to this one from here. You gotta be careful. It's so sensitive. Yes. I applied this. If you want, I can experiment. Which one? This one, yes. Yes, you can hear the sound. And we got only the other one left. You can I won't continue doing this. You can do the rest as it was done in the first two wires. You can do it for the rest, for the last one, and your headphone is fixed.